Hi friends, Mrs. Owens here to do the math video today. So we're working on addition, so let's review some of the vocabulary. Here's the addition symbol or the plus sign, the equal symbol or equal sign, the equation, and the number bond. So let's go back through and you guys tell me what they are. Right, the addition symbol or the plus sign. Good, the equal symbol or the equal sign. The equation. Good, the number bond. Good job. So today we're going to work with the total always being 8. So I have 3 problems here. I have circles drawn right here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 circles. So the total is always going to be 8 on our problems today. I'm going to draw a line in between the circles to split them into 2 parts. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side of the line and 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side of the line. So my 2 parts are going to be 4 and 4. I'm going to fill out my number bond. Remember, when we do the parts on the number bond, it's the 2 circles that are next to each other. 4, 4. And what goes here? Right, the total, which the total number of circles we count at the beginning is 8. That's always going to be our total today. So what would our equation be for this number bond? Good. I'm going to write it right here. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So we're adding the 2 parts to get 8, the total. Okay. Now I have a bunch more circles down here for my second problem. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, my total is always 8 today. I'm going to fill it out in my number bond. I'm going to draw a line anywhere I want, right there. So now I have 2 separate parts. So how many are in my first part? 1, 2, 2. I'm going to fill in part on the number line. And how many are in my second part on this side of the line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is my other part. So what would my equation be that matches my number bond? Think about it. Good. We're adding those 2 parts together. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Or 6 plus 2 equals 8. When you're adding, it doesn't matter what order the parts go in. My last one down here, I'm going to do another line anywhere between the circles. Okay, I'm going to count my circles first, the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total is always going to be 8 today. Okay, now I'm going to come up with my 2 parts. I'm going to count the circles on this side of the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on this side of the line, 1, 2, 3. Okay, take a look at my number bond. What would my equation be? Remember, part plus part equals total. 5 and 3 are the 2 parts. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good job, friends. Okay. This is our worksheet today. Remember, today we're focusing on 8 being the total. So first I'm going to write my name at the top. Mrs. Owens. It says the directions are to draw a line to make 2 groups of dots, just like we just did on the whiteboard problems. And then fill in the number bond. So I'm going to draw a line. You can draw a line, remember, anywhere. There's 4 problems. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups of dots. So you draw your line anywhere. I'm going to draw mine right here for the first one. To split it up into 2 parts. My total is 8 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots total. Now to come up with my 2 parts, I already drew my line. I'm going to count how many dots are on this side of the line. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side of the line. That's one of my parts. And 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side of the line. So I have my 2 parts and my total. I'm going to add a step to this and write my equation. 4 plus 4 equals 8. There's my equation. So for the other 3 problems, friends, you draw one line in between the dots wherever you want, count the 2 parts, fill in the parts on the number bond. Remember, your total today is always going to be 8. Then take that extra step and do your equation. Can't wait to see your hard work.